Well, I'm going to start a new project. You see that fence? It's going to have to come down. It's about to fall as it is. I stuck a post behind it. So in the meantime, to keep these guys in, the doggies, I need to put some chain link from that white post across over to about where those yellow flowers are. And to do that, I'm going to use T-posts and chain link. So to drive the T-post in, I want to make a T-post driver. And that's tonight's project. So I found a piece of pipe and I'm going to cut it. It's got all these holes in it, and the guy I got it from said he thought it was used as an irrigation pipe. But there's a long section here in the middle about the right size that I can cut to make my T-post driver. And I'm going to use that rebar to make handles. There's the chain link, and over here is the pile of T-posts. Yeah, I recently bought this Bauer portable bandsaw, and this is going to be the first time I use it. It's Harbor Freight. Seems to be built fairly well. We'll give her a try. Let's see how she does. Pinched it. Look out. All right, it cuts. Sometimes you have to outthink the inert piece of metal that is tripping you up. This might not work either, but at least I tried, huh? Sometimes you win. Okay, so you saw me cut off the rebar, and now we're going to bend it using the torch and a big hammer. Hopefully. One handle down. I'll do another one off camera. And there you have it. I may have to twist them a little bit, but that won't be a big deal. Okay, I'm going to mark this, and then we'll chuck it up in the vise and torch it. I think my magic marker's about worthless. I'm going to go get something else. I don't have much luck at all, but that'll work. Okay, so here we go. We're going to cut out a circle. I'm about as lousy with a torch as I am with a welder, so don't expect miracles. Well, that looks like shit. But hey, it's done. Just spend some quality time with the grinder. Alright, we'll be welding on the next one. Well, I have to be honest with you, I'm a little bit ashamed of this. It's a piece of crap. But I will be able to weld it on the end of there, and that's all that really counts. Man, it's not pretty. I gotta do a lot of grinding. But it's welded together. And so there you get the gist of what it is. Now I'm gonna pour, well actually I grind it down, then I'm gonna pour lead in the top. Okay, so I took the torch and the grinder to it, and it looks somewhat better. But you know what? I'm not going to sell this thing. I'm only making it for me. And what it's going to do is beat posts into the ground. So, yeah, it's good enough. Okay, so here's my lead setup. Here's some of my lead. Put it in the can. Got a torch down there. Held on with a magnet. And I got a torch here for melting the lead down a little quicker. See how this works. Let me get this going a little better. Okay, like I said, I got a magnet holding that torch up, hitting the bottom of the can. I got two magnets holding my thing in there. Okay, so you can see it's melted. I've changed my layup a little bit. I added some bricks to get it farther up off the table to get the torch up higher. I've already poured one pour. This is going to be my last pour. Hopefully I can do it one-handed. All that in the bottom, I don't know if you can see it, that's all dirt. Dirt floats on lead. So watch when I duff it out here. It all comes rolling out. And the can's clean. Alright, so we're done. Next thing you're going to see is me driving posts with this thing. Okay, so here we go. We're going to put a post in. And I've already started a little bit because I had to come back over here and start the camera. There you go, one post down, 5 or 6 more to go. Oh, I did an experimental too. Yeah, I put that post in. Nothing like cheating a little bit, huh? Gonna run all the way down to the edge of the patio cover. And then that fence is coming out. All right, talk to you next time. Please subscribe, comment, and like. Thank you. Bye-bye.